YouTube friends. So here we are back on the Road King. I'm going to finish up doing the lights today, and we'll go ahead and film all that. Now, I'm putting LED everything in this with smoke lenses, but we will do the spotlights and all the turn signals today. So let's get started. We'll start with the turn signals because they're quick and easy. These are not going to flash at the proper rate because I don't have a signal stabilizer yet. And I didn't buy the top end LED stuff like I usually would. I just got cheap ones for now. By the time these ones wear out, I'll probably be able to afford better ones. So these are super easy. Just push up and turn a little bit. Now this board has 2 notches for the screws and a flat side. The flat side goes to the flat side. And I don't know if you can see, you get the 2 pins, one on each side. One's longer, one's farther from the edge, and one's closer to the edge. So they only go in one way. There we go. Let's make sure that works. Well, you can tell it's just a cheap one because I get the white ring. Get the white ring with the flash. Same thing again. Once again for the second time. The little headlight visors I got came with new screws. However, these screws are chrome, so I've chosen to reuse these. And they're plenty long enough, so there's no issues there. All right, in with the new board. Let's make sure she works. All right, same thing again. Flat side goes to the flat side. I'm gonna get it relatively centered. Stick it over my little tabs. There we go. See how that looks. Well, you know, work now. Yeah, that's just right in it. Let's see if it works with the turn signal. Nope, nothing. That's no good. I guess we gotta pop her back out of there. Now, it worked when we tested it. So, what did we fuck up? It's in there. All right, let's try a little dielectric grease. Seriously? Well, there you go. Don't buy the fucking cheap Chinese one.